Objective: generate a new mesh that works with ExactFlat's tool set. In the Mesh Tool section of the ExactFlat toolbar, click the Adaptive Remesh button. Select all of the mesh pieces and then click Enter. In the Adaptive Remesh window, click Start to run the Adaptive Remesher. The Adaptive Remesher automatically computes tolerances for desired surface tolerance, desired boundary tolerance, and minimum edge length. Changing these values will determine how close the adaptive remeshed vertices are to the input mesh vertices. Estimated vertices. We want to have the least amount of vertices possible while still preserving the important features in the mesh that we need. It is recommended to keep the estimated vertex count below 1,000 to 1,500 vertices. The lower the value used for the desired surface tolerance, desired boundary tolerance, and minimum edge length, then the higher the estimated vertices count will be. An extremely high number of vertices will make the optimizer reach a point of diminishing returns, forcing it to stop and possibly leading to a more inaccurate flattening. Click OK once the resulting mesh preserves any necessary details while keeping a low enough vertex count. See the Adaptive Remesher video for more information on the Adaptive Remesher settings. Key result: a new mesh has been generated that works with ExactFlat's tool set.